Hello Zara, how are you?
Fine, Jibin, thank you. And how about you?
I'm also fine, Jamia. We are in intermediate class. So we must choose our career now.
You are quite right. Success in life depends on the right choice of career.
We must choose our career properly. May I know your choice of career?
Yes, of course. I have decided to become a doctor. Do you like this profession?
Yes, I do. It is a good profession. Could you tell me why you have chosen this profession?
Most of our people are deprived of the service of the doctors.
Yes, there are shortage of good doctors in our country. They people who live in the villages cannot consult a good doctor.
I want to serve the people.
Are you willing to go to the villagers if necessary?
Yes, of course. Through this profession I will be able to earn money honestly. Well, could you tell me about your choice of career?
Of course. I want to be an agriculture officer.
Most students like to be doctor, engineer or administrator. Why not you?
Our country is an agricultural country. Our economy depends on agriculture.
Yes, it is right. Please tell me about your plan.
I will get myself admitted into an agricultural university. After completing my education, I will join the service of agriculture cadre. I will make research on agriculture.
It's a noble profession too.
I'll teach the farmers about the modern method of cultivation.
I appreciate your plan.
Choosing career is not enough. We must work hard to fulfill our plan.
Of course. We must do well in the HSC examination, otherwise we will not be able to become a doctor or an agriculture officer.
Of course. Thank you, Jamia. It was really nice speaking to you.
You're welcome. Excuse me. Can I have some books from you?
Sure, you may have some books. We have a large collection of books. What kind of books do you want?
I need some books written by Rabindranath Tagore. Do you have the books of this kind?
Yes, I can give you the books of Tagore. Do you have any particular choice?
Yes, I want to take Sankita, Gitanjali, Balaka, and some novels.
Oh, yes. These books are very popular among the literature lovers.
Right, you are. Please give me the books.
Sure. Please wait just a moment. I am bringing them.
Okay. Please bring them.
Here are the books.
How much do they cost?
800 taka only.
Here is the money.
Thank you. Please visit us next time.
You are most welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello, Sujan. How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am fine too. I have taken decision to visit Bagherhat. Have you ever visited Bagherhat?
Oh, excellent decision. Yes, during the last autumn vacation I got an opportunity to visit Bagherhat with my father.
Nice. But why did you choose Bagherhat for visiting?
Bagherhat is a place of historical interest. Many people from home and abroad come to Bagherhat to visit the Shat Gambu Mosque, a World Heritage Site.
What important things did you see there?
The Shat Gambu Mosque, the Mazar of Khan Jahan Ali, the large Agora Dirgi, etc.
Would you please tell me about the mosque?
Yes, it is an enormous Mughal architecture. Khan Jahan Ali built it in 15th century.
Could you please let me know the uniqueness of the mosque?
The mosque is unique because it has 60 pillars supported by 77 exquisitely curved domes. Khan Jahan Ali used it both as a mosque and as a court.
Excellent. How much did you enjoy your visit?
It is a wonderful experience. The memory of my visit still haunts me.
Thank you very much for your nice description.
You are most welcome. Have a nice visit.
Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I want to have a library card.
Which class are you in?
I am in Class X.
Have you your identity card?
Yes. Here it is.
Okay. Please fill in this form.
I have filled in the form. Here it is, please.
Thanks. Please take your card.
How many books can I borrow at a time?
You can borrow 3 books at a time.
How long can I keep a book with me?
2 weeks.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Hello, friend. How do you do?
Hello, Gibbon. I am fine, thank you. Why are you looking so sad?
Actually, I am worried about my final examination. What about your preparation for the examination?
Well, I'm going on well my studies. I am also worried about my exam.
But tell me about your preparation in different subjects.
You know I'm weak in English. That's why I'm taking special care in English. I'm having a detailed revision in other subjects.
Are you taking help from any special books?
Yes, but I study textbooks very carefully.
I see. I must start working with the textbooks. What do you think?
Yes. I think it'll be very helpful not only for English, but also for other subjects.
Thank you for your supportive suggestion. I wish you good luck.
You are most welcome.